With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
Hello.
Morning.
I'm very much a fan of the new padlock.
Oh, good. So fine. It's all right. We're not recording. You're fine. So much better, isn't it?
No, it's
Julie.
not that. Well, that's your YouTube thing, and I'm on it.
How many times have we tried to do our intro this morning, Trace?
See, and I'm still holding my sweets. They're freezing.
I've kind of lost the moment now.
The farm shop gave me 2 Swedes because they've kind of gone past their best, but they'll be fine. We can roast them up or something. That'll be perfect. But
And the sheep are eating the other sweets.
I know. We could have had 15 if we wanted to. I didn't think we'd get to that one.
Oh, poor sheep wouldn't have anything to eat then.
How's the field looking? I'm very hungry. So we had to
I can't remember what we said
Quick,
now.
'cause there's some heat
Quick,
now.
someone else is coming now.
Trev, come on, quick. Just sort of.
So take 10, I think.
Oh, there's 2 more customers now, which is good. We're not moaning. It's
No,
great.
no.
I think it's going to be a busy day. It's like I predicted. So it's Good Friday. Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter.
We'll let you know it goes later. It's great. It's just Trev wants to do his video. It's fine. I'll see you later. Bye.
Right.
This could be a trend
I
for
think
the
we're
morning.
going to be able to do an introduction this week, guys. Morning, Laura.
Good morning. Happy Easter. Happy Easter to you too. Good Friday. Got a little something for you.
Please go teach Caroline.
You don't get this at any cafe, do you? What's on the cake counter this week, Trace?
All Easter themed. So, you want me to run through it or can you go back?
Yeah, no, go on, go, quick,
Lemon, blueberry and coconut cake, Easter themed. Cadbury's cream egg brownies, cinnamon cake, Easter cookies, and chocolate caramel cookie cups.
Beautiful.
That's the usual stuff.
Oh, and the Easter cookies.
I said that, yeah.
Oh, you said that, have you?
Here's Amway. Happy Easter!
Thank you. There's Pete over there. Do you want your coffee, Anwin?
Yes, please. My usual, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, guys. How are you doing?
Hey, Debbie, you alright?
Yeah, very well, thank you. Oh my goodness, we've got lots of goodies on here today. I have to choose. It's really difficult. Yeah. Hello.
Hiya, Brian.
Little present from Maisie
Thank you,
for
Maisie.
Tracy and Trevor.
I've got a little something from
Thank
Maisie
you.
actually. Thank you very much. Let me find
Hello.
No school today.
It was my GoPro.
Hello.
Yeah, and this is one.
Well, it's been a funny old day today. We've had waves of people in, masses of people in fact, and then nobody at all. And we're at a nobody at all period at the moment. So what I thought I'd do is show you guys Chris and Haley's new tool shed, which is a converted pigsty. So they've turned it into another place to sell their bits and pieces called the tool shed. I'll just give you a quick show round. There were pigs in here about a year ago, 18 months ago, but not anymore.
When we're in the same space.
As you can see, Chris has filled it with old curios, bits of old tools, machinery, old lathe there, look, and that's all free. It all seems to be quite operational. He had a couple of massive con rods, but somebody bought those the other day. They were quite interesting. This is an old vintage coffee machine, or part of an old vintage coffee machine anyway. This machine here is for stoning raisins. I think we'll be using that for the cakes. Old belt sander. Looks like a old photographic enlarger to me. Funny story attached to this one. Chris actually thought that this was a weather vane, a man going fishing, till he got it home and realised it was in fact the Grim Reaper.
My lawn needs cutting each time. I mean, last night the night before we had a heavy frost, so the grass was wet. Today it still looks wet.
It'll all get done.
Cinnamon bun
No, I just come for cakes.
Well, we can sort you out with some cakes.
These are definitely going down really well.
We can't move it around. There's nothing I can do. Hear you make a sound. The air's filling up the room. We can't move it around. There's nothing I can do. Won't you tell me? Won't you tell me now?
Oh, go on. Cheers, go.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down. For someone like me, I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you.
It's Easter Sunday today, and we're back in the forest, exactly where we were this time last year. So if you've seen the Easter Sunday video from last year, which was only put on a few weeks ago, that was a year ago.
This is a repeat.
This is a repeat performance. We've been back and we've had a lovely meal in the old Ferryman.
Oh, big roast dinner, which is what we always say we crave on a Sunday. It's lovely.
Roast lamb, absolutely
so
gorgeous. Yeah, it was really, really nice, isn't it?
So now we're just heading to our friend's cafe, Biblin's Tea Garden.
Biblin's Tea Gardens, we'll say hi to them.
A cup of tea.
And we'll have a cup of tea or a coffee or something, won't we? And hopefully they won't be too stressed
That could be an adventure.
That would be.
Looks like the queue's all right anyway. Tracy's nodding. Yep. High-speed runners. Well, look at the queue difference from last year, Trace. Yeah, because I've seen the other side. Hello.
Indiana Rose, I caught a glimpse of you out on the road, quiet like a dove. You're whispering a symphony unknown, breathing the breeze and trying to grow, lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn.
You always get stuck behind somebody that won't go. Go on. Let's go. Go. You can.
I couldn't see you on my way back home.
Thank you.
There's beauty where you are. I wish I wouldn't have to go that far to see where you thrive. Hear your song in the sky, lost in the
Can I have
No!
Can I have 15 cheese toasters, please?
You get it yourself.
Yeah, you're alright.
I'm frazzled.
Yeah, it gets like that.
What did you want, Trace?
Just breakfast tea would be lovely,
Got
please.
a
No, just
lemon
breakfast.
and ginger.
Perfect. Thank you.
Oh, that coffee would be nice, yeah. Oh, just a latte, please.
Say yourself.
The cloudy lemonade,
Yeah.
Don't normally indulge in a pudding, but we had a pudding as well, so.
What do you have?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
I'll tell you what, it's really, really nice ice cream.
Really?
Yeah.
Excuse me, is this your shop? Get on with the job.
Anyway, I can wash my hands.
Busman's holiday today. Just helping those guys out for 5 minutes while they take a break.
And a Coke, is it?
A Coke. Sorry. Thank you.
Everything?
That's it. Well, unless do you want a cake as well?
I'll have a carrot cake, please. Just in there, that's it.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Block ice cream. Cappuccino.
That's 15.90.
Aren't you sure the old bite's poisonous?
Nice.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.